Hello and welcome. The title for this video is Subject Verb Agreement with DouglasESL. This is going to be an introductory video into Subject Verb Agreement. The rules in Subject Verb Agreement can get complex, so this video is just a basic overview to help most ESL students understand what Subject Verb Agreement means. Grammatically correct sentences have to follow the Subject Verb Agreement rules. There's around 20 different rules for proper Subject Verb Agreement. The main concept of Subject Verb Agreement is that singular subjects need singular verbs. They have to agree, they have to match. Plural subjects need plural verbs. It sounds simple, but it can be confusing. In this table, I've got subjects, nouns or pronouns, both in singular form and then their plural form. So let's go through this list to make sure you understand the difference in singular and plural. I, there's one only, singular. Plural form, we. You, they're both the same. You can be for singular or you can be for plural. He, she, it is all singular. We is the plural form. And then regular nouns like dog, dogs. Sit one dog, 10 dogs. Knife, knives. Then irregular nouns, child, children. Foot, 1 foot, 10 feet. These are the singular forms and showing you the plural forms of nouns or pronouns. Now the verbs are the opposite, and this is where a lot of the confusion happens for students. The singular form of verbs looks like the plural form of nouns, usually with an S on the end. The plural form does not have the S, so it's kind of the opposite. So singular form chases, plural form of the verb chase. Sits, singular, sit, plural. Makes, make. Singular form flies, plural form fly. Has, have. Takes, take. Likes, like. Now let's look at some example sentences. These are some basic sentences. The first one, the dog chases the ball. There's one dog, so that is a singular noun, and it matches with a singular verb, which is going to have the S on the end. One dog, singular, chases, singular. More than one dog, plural form of dog, has the S. The verb, plural form, does not have the S. It's the opposite. So the dogs chase the ball. Number 3, the boys like the movies. Number 4, the boy likes the movie. You can see the difference. The S is here on boys. The S is here on likes. Number 5, she sits on the chair. Singular she, singular verb. Number 6, they, more than one person, so plural. Sit, plural version of the verb. She sits on the chair. They sit on the chair. These are examples of proper subject-verb agreement. These are examples where the verb precedes the subject. Most sentences in English are subject, and then the verb, and then the object. You're following the same rules for subject-verb agreement, but this is just showing you where the verb comes first in a sentence. Number 1, there are 5 clean plates on the table. Plates is plural. The verb is plural. Number 2, there is a problem with the car. Number 3, where are the pieces of the project? More than one piece, plural. The verb is plural, are. Number 4, a great gift is a gift card. Number 5, how are the students enjoying the class? And number 6, over the mountain flies a bird. One bird, singular. The verb is singular and has an S on it. Over the mountain flies a bird. Our next set of examples are compound subjects, where you have two different subjects, but they're together is one. So sentence number 1, sugar and flour is one compound subject, are needed for the cookies. Number 2, neither mom nor my dad know how to skate. Number 3, cheese and mustard are great on burgers. So we have two separate subjects combined as one thing. Number 4 is a little different. Corned beef and cabbage is a traditional meal. This falls under the rule of popular usage. So we're considering corned beef and cabbage as one thing as opposed to two. Corned beef and cabbage is a traditional meal. That's why you have is here instead of are. Also, number 5, the director and writer is arriving today. The director and writer is the same person. They have two jobs. So we're going to use that in a different way. The director and writer is, because they're the same person. The last set of examples is collective nouns. Number 1, the committee meets on Saturdays. One committee, singular, singular verb, meets on Saturdays. Number 2, the crowd is getting angry. It's one crowd. Even though it's many people, it's considered one thing. The crowd is getting angry. Number 3, the jury has gone home. Number 4, the majority rules in a democracy. Number 5, the fish are swimming upstream. Fish can be either singular or plural. The fish are swimming upstream. So this is the plural version and the plural version of the verb. Here's your subject verb agreement assessment. Please select the correct verb in each sentence. We've got 6 examples. Let me read them for you. Your friend, too much. Bob, a truck. He, lunch for his mom. Number 4, the weather today, to be great. Number 5, everybody asked to play. Number 6, Bob and his parents, Atlanta every year. So please take your time. You can pause the video if you want a little extra time to do this. Select the correct verb in each of these sentences. Okay, let's see how you did. Number 1, your friend talks too much. One friend, singular, singular verb, talks. Bob drives a truck. Number 3, he cooks lunch for his mom. Number 4, the weather today appears to be great. Number 5, everybody was asked to play. And number 6, Bob and his parents visit Atlanta every year. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.